くよ。Hello. Hello, it's a super sunny autumn day today, and the beginning of November. COVID has been going quite calm, and then people are all going out to enjoy, trips around their cities. So today I'm going to this event, Nazuna Marché. It's like a market, and then this is one of the places I really wanted to see. Actually, was I think at least 10-15 of all the machiya. They are all renovated and operated by one company, the Nazuna company, and then I haven't been able to see it. It's quite close to my house, so just going to check it out with my daughter Lina-chan. She's only 10 months old. I think it's like a theme park, Machiya theme park in Kyoto. I don't know in a good or bad way, but it should be quite interesting. So let's go check it out. Sorry that I have to show you the inside through photos again. I talked to the staff, but unfortunately they said all the rooms, they're all packed for the day, so I couldn't go inside. This is the press release for Nazuna, the Tsubaki-dori. I'm playing YouTube on my YouTube video, but here's a quick promotion video. So anyway, there are a total of 23, in the end 23 Kyo-Machiya. They are all fully renovated inside this alley. And then I think one of the front building is like a reception here. This is probably built like entirely new. And then they do also have a restaurant inside the alley like this. I think it's only for people who are staying. Really high class and trendy looking. Don't think I have a chance to go soon, but here's their official site. There are some more photos of how it looks like, and then out of the 23 machiya, they actually have like 5 different types: take, mizu, iwa, hana, and ha. And take is the only like luxurious type that obviously you can see there bamboo everywhere in this hotel Kyo-Machiya room. And the other 4 types, I think they're more or less the same. Still very trendy, and then classic looking. Oops. But I think these 4 types are a little bit cheaper. And then that's it for these Tsubaki-dori Kyo-Machiya. But what I actually really wanted to show on the other end was another of their renovated Kominka house in Miyazaki Prefecture. This is called Obi. I've never been there, but I think it was a castle town that was owned by the Ito clan during the Edo period. But anyway, this is what the town looks like. Really cool castle town district, and the Kominka that they renovated in this area. And although my house in Kyoto, the Machiya, is still in progress, I really think if there's a chance in the future for me to actually be doing one of these renovation projects myself, or through my work, I don't know, whichever, but it would be really exciting to be able to revive these Kominka houses. I think these are not just ordinary Kominka. I think these are maybe sort of a higher class samurai or anyway, people who are in that top hierarchy of the Ito clan. But everything looks so nicely renovated. And then here's, I think, a third one. Again, it's only less than $300 to stay for 2 people. So I don't think compared to the Kyoto Machiya, it's a lot cheaper to stay in these bigger type Kominka houses. If you happen to be in the Miyazaki area, I really wanted to go myself with my family or whatever occasion that I have. But great Kominka hotels, Kominka lodging in rural Japan. And while I'm at it, this Nipponia is, I think, really the pioneer or actually the biggest company. Although I think it's still a little bit not so well known outside of Japan. I don't know, maybe some of you have stayed in one of their lodges, but they are revitalizing all these Kominka in rural areas of Japan, and not in your regular tourist sites like Kyoto, Osaka, or Hiroshima, but in the mountains close to Japan Sea. Lots of them you probably never even heard before, like the town's name. But really, this is the dream. I mean, this is what I want to be involved with. I don't know how, but somehow after doing what I'm doing for a few years down the road, maybe I'll get to be a part of this, or even be able to lead some of these projects in the future. The other site is this is the actual site for the lodging Kominka that they renovated. Again, beautiful photos first, but the interior as well. And then I think they try to involve as much as possible, like the villagers and whoever is in that local area. So really, I think this is the hope for rural Japan. The smaller dying towns with decreasing population. Obviously, changing everything into hotels and lodging is not the only solution, but I think this is a good start, at least to get things going in those areas. So if you have a chance, please do stay in one of these places. I have never been able to stay there myself yet, but soon, I hope. And then it's not that expensive again, $300-400 for a day, although without any kind of meal. So okay, that's it for the websites. I'm back home, and then here is the bento kind of shadow box. ちょっと from the marché, and then they have a 10% discount ticket for anyone who went today. So as long as you have the QR code, you have. So if anyone wants to stay there, leave a comment. I'll send this to you. Okay. Bye bye.